You can see in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to screen record in Snapchat without no one knowing. So first, I'm going to open my Snapchat. As you can see, here is some of my friends. If I tap on them, I'm pretty sure they will get mad and they will try to say, "Oh, what would you screen record for?" But here's how you can do it without them knowing. So first, you will go ahead and clear it up, and you go ahead and scroll up on the bottom. As you can see, I'm recording right now, and you go ahead and turn on your airplane mode. So once your airplane mode is on, that means you're out of net connection, right? And then you'll go ahead and open up Snapchat, and then click whoever you wanted to record that from. As you can see, this one of my friend, and yeah, we never check that match. And then after that, what you need to do is you go ahead and stop recording, and yours, and just turn back on just turn back on your airplane mode. And then once you stop recording, I'm pretty sure that it will solve your your problem on recording on Snapchat. So yeah, I mean, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.